Good morning, children. So today you will learn about the energy. Okay, in the previous class you learned about the symbol machines, different symbol machines. Today you are going to learn about energy and its various forms. Okay, so what is mean by energy? It is the ability. Okay, it is the ability to do work. The different works like whatever the work you are doing, for that you need energy, right? Then only you can do that. For if it is for jumping, running, walking, all these are the work only. For that you need the energy, that ability, that capacity, that is known as energy. Okay, and see here the what are the different forms of energy. Okay, forms of energy. Here the different forms of energy means the different types of energy. So if we are saying about the solar energy, okay, solar energy, and we can say the wind energy, okay, and we can say the chemical energy, then atomic energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy. Okay, all these are the forms of energy. Okay, and even the muscular energy, clear, mechanical energy. Okay, now see these are the forms. Now from where does this energy we get? That is known as what? Source. Okay, what it is? Sources of energy. Okay, sources means from where does we get the energy. Okay, so what are the sources? The main, the ultimate source of energy naturally we are getting on the earth, that is the sun. Okay, which one? Sun is the ultimate source of energy, very important source of energy. Okay, and from this energy, from the sun, the energy we get, that is known as solar energy. Okay, this solar energy in different ways, that means in this solar energy used to cook the food. How we can cook? Actually with the solar cooker. Okay, solar cookers are there simply like the rectangle box, in that glass it is. Okay, here for box you can see in this. Okay, and then with the small thin glass over here, then one more cap also there. Okay, then this one, it is all, when we open this, keeping it here also one glass it is, and when the sunlight fall on it, it reflect and the light fall on it, and then it produces a heat, and with that the whatever we are keeping inside here on this, that will be cooked. Okay, so that means without wasting any fuels, or without wasting any wood, burning the things, we can cook the food with the natural solar energy. Okay, so that is the solar, it is what? It is the solar cooker. Okay, and in the this solar panels are there. Somewhere used to keep the solar panels. Nowadays on the roof of the houses also keeping that solar panels. With that the sunlight trap on it, and that will be, that solar energy will be converted into electrical energy. That electrical energy used to light the street lights some places. Okay, so for other purpose, for drawing the waters, that also, this is solar energy used many places. Okay, that is with the in the solar panel. Okay, this is not only that, this is solar energy, sunlight, it is trapped by the plants. Why? The plants, they are using for photosynthesis. Okay, for cooking their food only. So that photosynthesis also they are taking this solar energy, sun's energy. Understood? So the solar energy, different ways it is getting, right? Using in different ways. And then the next energy, it is the wind energy. Okay? Understood the solar energy from the sun, how we are getting the energy. And now the next energy is the wind energy. Wind actually, wind means it is the moving air. What it is? Moving air. When the air moves, that time it produces energy. Okay? That energy we can store it. We can collect it. See, some places on the remote areas or other places, they used to keep the uh, things like this. See, you can see when you are moving, you can see like this. What is this, children? It is the windmill, right? This is the windmill. In this these are the turbines, right? Blades, we can say the blades of the um, windmill, right? These blades, it rotate when the air moves. If it is rotating, that is, if the fast moving wind, then this blades rotate fast. By that from that the electricity, that means the energy comes on it. That energy will be converted into electrical energy. So for that the windmill helps. So through the windmill also we will get the electrical energy from the wind. Okay, understood? Now the third one, it is this electrical energy. Then for using, what are the purposes we are using the electrical energy from getting from this? That will be used to draw the water from the well. By how we can switch the motor, right? For that, from that, then the water will be comes up through the pipe, right? And then see here, the third one is the water. In this water, if we are saying, see this energy, that we can say as tidal energy. What it is? Tidal energy. From the water getting the energy. For this actually, moving water, that means the running water. Okay, from that only, that a river like this, that water actually during the rainy season, if getting more water, and then it will be, if more water means it becomes a flood. So during the water we will get more water. There will be no scarcity of water that time. That time this water, in order to waste, we can store it. For that we keep a dam. Okay, building dams on the rivers, so that the overflow will be avoided, and the water can be collected and stored in the dams. Then when there will be scarcity of water, some places do not get enough water, that time the water from these dams will be distributed. Okay, and not only that, here what we are storing the water, that will be allowed to fall from a height to down. That time the turbines, they are keeping the turbines. Okay, that turbines actually it rotate fast. That time from this water the energy produces and will be converted into electrical energy. So from the water also we can produce the electricity. Understood how? This way. And the next one, the next source of energy is the fuel. What it is? Fuel. Okay, what are the fuels? The fuels, like the substances like wood, we can say the kerosene. Okay, wood or kerosene. Then CNG. What is CNG? CNG means compressed natural gas. Okay, petrol, these things, and even coal, they are allowed to burn. When they burn, they produces the energy. Okay, that energy that time these substances are known as the fuels. Okay, because these substances burn and produces energy, so they are known as the fuels. Okay, this way also, this see, for running the vehicles need these kinds of fuels, right? Kerosene, petrol, CNG, they are using for running the vehicles. Okay, so in order to waste the energy, we can use these things. This compressed natural gas also we can use it. From this natural fuels itself, using that we can get the energy. So the different forms of energy you understood, and not only that, see this energy conversion. Okay, how this energy convert from one form to another form. So different forms of energy I already told. From this, see how the energy transfer. Okay, it transfer from one to another. Okay, so how it is, see, for example, if we that means the electric bulb. If you are using an electric bulb, when we switch the electric bulb, inside the electric bulb there will be energy, right? When we switch on, that time this how it converts from the electrical energy, converted into the bulb glows, so the light energy. Okay, it is changed into light energy. And if we use an electric iron, okay, electric iron to press the cloth, that time how the electric energy changes, that means the electrical energy changes into heat energy. Okay, that is in heat energy. And now see, if we are using the speaker or the audio or the tape recorder, that time how it will be, the electrical energy changes into sound energy. In the television you can see both light as well, we can see as well as we can hear. So light energy as well as sound energy, both will be produced on television, right? So understood, children, the conversion of the energy from one form to another form. Okay, I hope all of you understood this topic well. Therefore, what is energy and the forms or the different forms of energy and the different sources of the energy. Okay, children, now read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you, children. Till that, have a nice day.